Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Most important question of the subject name is nursing aptitude. So let's start the video. And here the question number first is the unit of the hospital concerned with the treatment of injuries, disease and other disorder by manual and intramanual means is known as. And here the options: option A OPD, option B neonatal care department, option C surgical department, and option D IPD. And the correct answer is option C surgical department. Now move on question number second. A unit in hospital that provides care for patient with a wide range of life threatening condition and provide intense monitoring condition is known as. And here the options: option A physical medicine, option B intensive care unit, option C NICU, and option D coronary care unit. And the correct answer is option B intensive care unit. Now move on question number third. The department concerned with health care workers and technicians who provide clinical service to patients under the supervision of a physician is known as. And here the options: option A paramedical department, option B intensive care unit, option C OPD, and option D coronary care unit. And the correct answer is option A paramedical department. Now move on. Question number 4. The unit of hospital concerned responsible for planning, prescribing and counseling patient about their diet according to their disease condition is known as. And here the options: option A medicine department, option B rehabilitation department, option C food department, and option D dietary department. And the correct answer is option D dietary department. Now move on question number 5. A facility within a hospital where surgical operations are carried out in a aseptic environment is known as. Option A X-ray room, option B OT, option C OPD, and option D ICU. And the correct answer is option B OT. Now move on question number 6. The department that deal with admitted patient suffering from neurological problems is known as. And here the options: option A cardiac department, option B neurology department, option C histology department, and option D pulmonary unit. And the correct answer is option B neurological department. Now move on question number 7. The department that deal with admitted patients suffering from cancer is known as. And here the options: option A bronchology, option B neurology, and option C histology, and option D oncology. And the correct answer is option D oncology. Now move on question number 8. The department that investigates and treats problems relating to the female uteric tract and reproductive organ is known as. And here the options: option A urology, option B nephrology, option C hematology, and option D gynecology. And the correct answer is option D gynecology. Now move on question number 9. Diseases that spread from one person to another are called. And here the options: option A degenerative disease, option B non-communicable disease, option C communicable disease, and option D hereditary disease. And the correct answer is option C communicable disease. Now move on question number 10. The first pandemic recorded Black Death of Europe, which occurred in mid 13,000, 1300 was actually. And here the options: option A cholera, option B plague, option C diarrhea, and option D influenza. And the correct answer is option C plague. So guys, this is the video. Like शेयर सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर दिस टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, जय हिंद।